hop back in.
Yeah, I have the old GoPro on a tripod.
You gotta keep your arms inside.
Okay, good morning guys. Today let's switch out the intake manifold. My son is switching to a different manifold on his K24. So I'm gonna take that Maxpeedingrod one and put it here, you know, stock K20. Type S. Let's remove this. Fortunately, I forgot to charge the GoPro. So I can't put it on my head. So I gotta keep it plugged into this thing. Let me put this thing down and start working on it. Alright, that's the best we can do for now. Back is neat right there. Okay, and hopefully the battery is charged enough that it won't die on us. It says 40%. Okay, there you go. Got the manifold out. Let's prep the other one. Okay. Okay, we almost got it on, guys. Looking for the 12. We need a skinny 12. Obviously this is too small now. There you have it, folks. Everything's done. yeah, just gotta get my son to flash the K-Pro to these injectors, swap out the fuel to E85, and then we're good to go. All right, till next time.